I'm in downtown Battle Creek, and I'm about ready to tour the historic Milton, which has been recently restored. Built originally for the Old Merchants National Bank and Trust in 1931, the 18-story building has long been a landmark of Battle Creek's downtown. It is one of the two towers on Michigan Avenue, which both opened the same year. The Central National Bank Tower opened officially in June of 1931, and the Old Merchants National Bank and Trust building opened in August. Before we go inside and tour and see the newly renovated mezzanine, let's look at some of the historical photos of this impressive building through the years and the changes it has towered over in downtown Battle Creek throughout the decades. So this is what it looked like in the 1930s, between around 1933. And this is downtown 1935, based on the photograph date. These are aerial views, which I guesstimated they were between the 30s and 40s. Here's a view of 1940. The bank is now Security National Bank. In 1947, there was a flood in downtown Battle Creek. And this is 1950. And then this photo was dated 1960. And then in 1975, the downtown became a mall somewhere in the 70s, and they paved it over, closed off the streets. And these are photos from that era. In 1994, it became Co-America Bank. And here's an aerial view from 1998, which is still Co-America Bank. I wanted to interrupt briefly to say thank you for watching. If you're a return viewer, welcome back. If you're joining me for the first time, awesome. Thanks for being here. If you enjoy watching the videos, please consider supporting my channel by shopping my merchandise store. You can find it by clicking the link below. I have a lot of unique designs on the topics of my channel, such as Explore Local and a variety of history-related themes. My dog, Mocha, helped me design a few herself. So now through December 31st, you can use the discount code HISTORY for an extra 10% off all orders. So be sure to check it out. Now let's get back to the video. So I am inside the Milton, newly restored Milton mezzanine today. Got a little exhibit from the Kingman Museum behind me. And this place is beautiful, has some wonderful history. So we're going to explore some of that today. The building was originally built in 1931. Really just wanted to show you the newly restored mezzanine. It is absolutely beautiful. It's a treasure of Battle Creek. The restoration of the Milton's magnificent mezzanine level was made in part possible by a generous donation from Battle Creek residents Robert and Shirley McPhee. Their connection with the Milton goes back 70 years when they made Battle Creek their home. Robert worked on the 9th floor of the tower for 27 years, and Shirley would come to visit him. The renovations began in earnest in 2018, and in 2020, Shirley attended a public event at the Milton which detailed plans for continued improvement. She was excited about the possibilities and related to her husband. Together, they decided to make a generous donation to the project. As organized by the Battle Creek Community Foundation, the Milton will have the mezzanine open to the public in the month of December 2021 on these dates here from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. I will include a link to this information in the description of this video below. As a challenge to you when you visit, see if you can find the two women in the designs, the Thunderbirds, Phoenixes, fruit baskets, griffins, beehives, and locate the 4 squirrels among the details in the mosaic. That's my challenge to you. And the reindeer is one cool customer standing among the Kingman Museum exhibit that's in the main lobby. Watch out for that fox, though. I'm pretty sure he's up to something. And that duck looks a bit sketchy, too. He might be in on it. What's that you say, Mr. Reindeer? Oh, yes! Like and subscribe! So I just finished my tour of the newly restored mezzanine here at the Milton.
Yes.
It's called the Milton now. The refreshments today were put together by 32 Social right across the street. It is a wonderful coffee shop. They have fabulous food. I'm going to show it to you here, guys. So you guys want to say anything about 32 Social?
Just come on down and check us out. We're at 32 West Michigan, right across from the Battle Creek Community Foundation. And you're going to get smiles, great conversation, great coffee, and it's just a great atmosphere.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.